I don't even know where to begin to remove this, you guys. Oh yeah. That's fun. There's the blood all in my mouth. Ugh. Ugh. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff right there. I'm gonna wipe some of this off. Oh, there's so much blood. Ugh. Ew. Let's get one of these on my forehead. There's so much hair in it. Ugh. I suspect I'm gonna lose a lot of hair. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, this feels so weird under my eye. Oh my god. Ooh. I love doing this. Oh. Why did Snapchat fail to send? It's weird. Oh yeah. Right over the brow. Oh, that's my favorite right there. A little rough on my eyelid. Just a little rough. Oh yeah. Ooh. God, I love doing this so much. This Prozade's still wet. I like didn't let it dry. I like didn't have patience for it. It's like whatever. Oh my god, I have this blood, it's like all up my nose. Ugh. Oh, it's still soaking wet. Which, it's easier to remove when it's wet, I guess, so. Oh, I should almost have gloves on for this. Oof. It's all up my nose. It's like I have a nosebleed. I'm gonna have to blow my nose. Ooh. Ooh. This is a fun game. How many brow hairs will Bailey have by the end? I'm hoping all. I mean, you're doing a pretty good job here. Maybe I should get a baby wipe. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, look at that Prozade just coming off. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's what money. That's what money. So I was gonna say that's money right there. Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's soak this other side. See, with latex, as soon as you get it wet, it just rolls off. That's why latex isn't great for sweating. Ooh. Okay. It was fun. It was a fun sound. I don't even know where to. Oh yeah, this right here. This is like into my hairline. Let's just soak that for a sec. Ugh. I hate it around my eyes. It's like I can handle it anywhere. And it's like right underneath my eyes. It freaks me out. I feel like it's in my eye. Like doing this, like, oh, I hate this. Oh. Oh. It gives me a not a good feeling. I'm gonna soak this Prozade. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Come on, little guy. Oh. Okay. God, this baby wipes like so bloody. I hope you guys like watching me remove this crap. Just me rubbing the crap out of my face and ruining my skin. I feel like some people really like this though. Oof, some sticky Prozade. Oh, my battery's gonna die. And if it does, it does. I feel like the older this battery has gotten, it just like sucks now. I can only like film for like half an hour. I hate that. Okay. Trying to be as gentle as I can around my eyeball. Gentle as I can. I need another one. I have to get more baby wipes today. Oh Lord. Maybe some more makeup remover. Need to get some cheap. Maybe the Winners. Oh yeah. Oh. The thing is, it's like I could totally get into my shower and do this, but then all of this Prozade would go down the tub, and that is not good. So it's best just to pick it off. And I'm trying not to use isopropyl myristate. If you use isopropyl myristate, it just melts off, but that like breaks me out so bad. Oh, it's just the worst. So I try not to put it on my skin specifically. But there may come a time where I have to, which is fine. Just not today, honey. But for the most part, this is removing quite nicely. I'm gonna have to do a nice mask. I can't tell if my skin is just red from the blood or red from irritation. I really didn't use that much Prozade though, like, to be honest. It's mostly off. Oh yeah. Hope you guys like this look. I don't know why I thought of it. I just thought it would be neat. Like if there's like a torture chamber. It's totally what like someone would do, just like cut your face. I don't know, I feel like that could be in a movie or something. It's so morbid and sick to think about. Just like a cross on your face. So fucked. Like, oh, the thought of that is just nasty. It's pretty dry right there. For the most part, got it all off though. quite impressed with myself with these removing skills. Oh yeah, rubber dub dub. Okay, I think the rest of that I'll remove in the shower. Just latex still. Yeah, just rub off. This blood, I'll tell you where it stops. And it don't stop anywhere soon, I'll tell you that. It goes way down there. Let's just get right between those two. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching me remove my makeup. Look, I still have eyebrows. I don't even think I lost a hair. Anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.